don't think you have any problems getting that in. That's going to go right in.
I like the sound of that, my friend. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. That's pretty cool. In today's video, we're going to be putting on the Tanabe Touring Medallion exhaust system. I have to replace my Manzo catback. It's starting to get a little rusty. Also, the baffle's out. So yeah, we're here at my buddy Bryan's house. He's got that really slick red S2000. I'll probably be doing a feature video on that at some point. But today, it's exhaust time. Thanks for watching. There we go. All right, one's free. Woo, baby. Got a little close on that one, boys.
Right?
Yeah. It's not. It's worked smarter, not harder.
Hang up, push it through.
There we go. She's got it. She's out. All right. This is the Megan Racing test pipe here. Hey, come yank this off more, baby. All right. So here's the canister. You know, I bought this because I wanted more of like its stock look and sound. As the Avengers would just say, time to assemble. That is looking nice. Got her? Yeah. Awesome. Alright, brother, you just go with that for a second, please. Alright. You can relax.
It's lined up real nice in the rear, too.
Yeah? Boom, baby. Oh boy, can't find the hole. Tighten it down. And then we're gonna send it. I just gotta say too, the fitment so far on these two pieces of equipment, or these two products, have been pretty good. This Tanabe exhaust is lining up perfect. The Megan Racing pipe is lining up perfect. So I'm pretty excited to start this thing. Hear what it sounds like. All right, let's do that.
You're gonna help me bleed brakes real quick.
Yeah, I'll do that.
20 minutes.
Yeah, no problem, huh? We are now recording from B camera. We are going to be bleeding Bryan's brakes. As I said earlier, he's got a really slick S2000. Pretty fun car. I've been in it a couple times now. Rips. It's sitting on Swift springs. It has an HKS exhaust system. Alright, I guess I gotta help now. We're bleeding. I gotta stop filming like a jackass. All the way down. Okay. All the way down.